Have you ever considered how the choices you make today will shape your future? Let's ponder over the age-old wisdom from Proverbs 21. The plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance, but everyone who is hasty comes only to poverty. This verse underscores the significance of careful planning and measured decision-making in our lives. Consider your financial planning, for instance. By being diligent and thoughtful, you can build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. Or think about your career progression. A well-planned path can lead to abundance in terms of job satisfaction, professional growth, and financial stability. The same applies to our personal relationships. Hasty decisions often lead to misunderstandings and conflicts, while thoughtful communication and understanding can help build stronger, more fulfilling relationships. So it's not just about planning, but the diligence and thoughtfulness that go into it. As we've seen, the benefits of a diligent approach to planning are clear. It can lead to abundance, while haste often leads to the opposite. What happens when we harbor ill intentions towards others? This question finds its answer in the second verse from Proverbs 21. The soul of the wicked desires evil. His neighbor finds no mercy in his eyes. This ancient wisdom is a mirror reflecting the bitter truth of the negativity that ill intentions can breed. It's all too easy to let resentment, jealousy, or anger cloud our judgment, leading us down a path of malice and spite. But the consequences are dire, not just for those we target, but for ourselves as well. We become prisoners of our own negativity, trapped in a cycle of hostility that only breeds more harm. So how does this age-old wisdom apply to our modern lives? In essence, it underscores the importance of kindness and empathy. In a world teeming with diverse beliefs and backgrounds, it reminds us that our strength lies in unity, not division. In a world where we encounter a diversity of beliefs and backgrounds, it's essential to treat everyone with kindness and empathy. How can humility lead to wisdom? Let's delve into the third verse from Proverbs 21. There's a timeless warning against the pitfalls of arrogance and a resounding endorsement of humility. In a world where self-promotion is often celebrated, this ancient wisdom nudges us towards a different path. Arrogance can blind us, making us believe we have nothing to learn. But humility? It opens our eyes, our hearts, and our minds. It allows us to recognize the value in each person and every experience. It fosters stronger, healthier relationships because it compels us to listen, to understand, and to value others. It enhances teamwork, as it acknowledges the importance of each team member's contribution, and for personal growth, humility is key. It allows us to accept our flaws, learn from our mistakes, and continuously evolve. So next time you encounter a choice between arrogance and humility, choose wisely. Remember, with humility comes wisdom, a virtue that is always in style. What is our responsibility towards those less fortunate than us? This question takes us to the fourth verse from Proverbs 21, which imparts a significant lesson about compassion and empathy. Whoever closes his ear to the cry of the poor will himself call out and not be answered. In today's context, this verse urges us to be compassionate and empathetic to those in need. It is easy to get caught up in our own lives and forget about those who struggle daily for necessities we often take for granted. But it's vital to remember that our society's strength lies in the support we provide to its weakest members. Whether it's through charitable donations, volunteering our time and skills, or advocating for social justice causes, each one of us can make a difference. And the rewards? They are manifold. Not only does it foster a sense of community and unity, but it also enriches our own lives with purpose and fulfillment. As we've seen, turning a deaf ear to the needy can have profound implications. Let's strive to be more empathetic and compassionate. Scene script: how does hard work and dedication influence our life outcomes? Let's turn our attention to the fifth verse from Proverbs 21. It paints a vivid picture, asserting, "The desire of the sluggard kills him, for his hands refuse to labor." This ancient wisdom, as relevant today as it was thousands of years ago, underscores the importance of hard work and dedication. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, it's easy to undervalue the significance of a strong work ethic. Yet the power of dedication, of consistently applying ourselves, cannot be overstated. It's the engine that transforms dreams into reality, aspirations into achievements. Similarly, physical activity, often viewed as laborious, is a cornerstone of health and wellness. It's the fuel that keeps the body running smoothly, a testament to the adage that a healthy body fosters a healthy mind. Moreover, pursuing personal goals with unwavering determination shapes our character, molds our resilience, and ultimately defines our destiny. Diligence and dedication are key. After all, the hands that refuse to labor often bring about their own downfall. What brings more satisfaction, indulging in negative behavior or pursuing wisdom? This is a question that the 6th verse from Proverbs 21 asks us to ponder. The verse paints a striking contrast between the fleeting pleasure of foolishness and the lasting satisfaction gained from the pursuit of wisdom. In today's fast-paced world, we often find ourselves tempted by quick fixes and instant gratification. However, the pleasure derived from such actions is transient, much like a joke that loses its humor over time. On the other hand, wisdom, the deep understanding and realization of people, things, events, or situations, brings a lasting satisfaction that is not easily eroded by time or circumstance. The pursuit of wisdom encourages personal growth and fulfillment. It urges us to make choices that not only serve our immediate needs but also contribute to our long-term development and well-being. As we've learned, the pursuit of wisdom brings pleasure to those who seek understanding, while doing wrong is a mere joke to a fool. What is more valuable, seeking pleasure or seeking wisdom? This question hits at the heart of Proverbs 21's 7th verse, drawing a stark contrast between short-lived gratification and the enduring rewards of wisdom. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to be seduced by the allure of instant pleasure. But such fleeting joy, the proverb warns, ultimately leads to loss. On the other hand, those who seek wisdom, who invest in personal growth and education, who find joy in meaningful experiences, they will find true richness. Wisdom is not simply about accumulating knowledge. It's about discernment, the ability to make sound decisions, to understand the world around us and our place in it. It's about cultivating a sense of purpose, nurturing meaningful relationships, and contributing to the betterment of our communities. In conclusion, while pleasure may offer temporary satisfaction, wisdom brings richness that lasts a lifetime.